Good morning. Namaste. Welcome to New Reveal Yoga. If you forgot my name, it's Luna, as in the moon for Spanish. So welcome to another chair yoga class. Excuse me for a moment. I just did a heavy workout, so I'm trying to slow my body down. How's that? So let's just take a moment here and place our hands on our laps and just settle in for the day. Just in case you had a heavy day, a heavy workout like I just did, maybe a very heavy mental day, whatever's been heavy, hard, like really, really heavy for you. Just take a moment. Let's take a breath. Let's listen to the nice music. If you can hear it, if you can't, just think about the music in your heart. And if it has been a very heavy day, maybe the music is loud, it's overbearing, it's just pressing you down onto the ground. I invite you to take a deep breath in and allow the breath of ease, allow the breath of I got you, of support to come on into the body. And then exhale. Again, take a deep breath in. And then exhale. Another one. Allow your body to slouch. Take a deep breath in and slowly rise back up sitting in your chair. Exhale, slouch again. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, slouch. If you have low blood pressure, as you rise, you might feel a little dizzy. So keep your eyes closed if that allows you to balance yourself a little bit more. Exhale. If coming down is too much for you, don't go so low. You can stay right here and just slouch and then take a deep, fulfilling inhale. And exhale again, just slouch. You're just moving up and down, trying to allow yourself to become lighter from the heaviness of the day. Let's just carry that on. Allow the hands to come on up when you take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend the elbows right in front of you. Fingers wave down your face as you slouch down with the exhale. Release the hands. Inhale, draw them up the legs. Draw them up to the sides, all the way up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And this is just your way of cooling down from if you joined me for the chair workout class, chair fitness class. Now you get to join me for the nourishing part. Then come back up to center. Sit up nice and tall. Let's reassess. How are we feeling now? Are we feeling a little bit more relaxed? A little bit more serene and calm? Just check it out. See how you feel. The music might be a little bit low. If you even hear any music. Take a deep breath in. You're going to sit up even taller. Open up the arms out to the side. Take a deep breath in. Push the chest forward. And then exhale. Lean back on your chair again. Relax the hands onto the lap. Take another deep breath in. Sit up taller. Push the chest forward. Open up the arms out to the side. Exhale. Return. 2 more. Take this leg out to the side. Keep this one here. Lean back. Relax. Then take a deep inhale. Lift up. Push the chest forward. Exhale, drop both hands to the knee. Good. Inhale, lift up the hands off the side. And then come back to the knee. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. We're going to add a little bit more. So this leg is extending out to that side. I'm going to try to point my toe a little bit more. So this leg is stretching. So I'm just going to sweep the leg. Reach out. Exhale, bring the hand back to my lap. Inhale slow as I reach. Explosion of an inhale. Exhale, slowly return. Go inhale, crawl. Big inhale. Exhale, slow. Slow motions, especially if you just finished the chair yoga, chair fitness class with me. I wore my dragon shirt representing my son. But at the same time, we got nice and hot and heated in that chair fitness class, and now we're taking the time in our chair yoga class to cool off from that workout. But this is a good time also, if you didn't join me for that class, but if you have a heavy day, just to reset your body, give it some movement. Give it some time to decompress from the heaviness of the day. Let this be the last one on this side. Now, if you can't go as low as I do, you can always grab onto the chair. I'm going to bring that leg back in. Lean back to reset. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Open up the arms out to the side. Push the chest. Exhale, come back. Lean back on your chair. Inhale. Exhale. Just two more. Last one. And we're going to take this leg out. Let it extend out to the side on that side. This knee holds in. See, my knee wants to go out automatically, and I'm just going to tell it, no, stay right there. Open up here. Exhale. Hands return to the knee. Inhale. If you had a heavy day or a heavy workout, this is a good opportunity to just take a moment to breathe. Get life back into your body with your breath. Just take a moment to let the legs breathe. Let the arms open up and breathe. Help you to receive that life back in. Then we're going to hold it right here. Remember, if you need to hold on to the chair, hold on to the chair. You can hold on your knee. You don't have to go as low as I do. You can just come here, inhale, open, and then bring the hand back with the exhale. It's totally up to you. You don't ever have to go as low as I go. You go as low as you can. I'll show you the options here. You can come to this far. Or you can keep the hand here and just allow it to go. Up to you. This will be our last one anyway. Bring the leg back in. And reset, go back. And just take a moment to breathe. I'm going to raise the volume just a little bit on the music. Just a touch. you just keep breathing. Resetting. Now let's bring movement back into the body. We're going to open both legs. Keep the knees bent. Turn the toes out. Try not to push your belly forward. Bring that belly right back in. So you're sitting up a little bit taller. Inhale, come up. You're just going to act like you're about to hug a little child or someone that's sitting right in front of you. A little low. That's your exhale. Inhale, you come right back up. Exhale, you round coming forward. Inhale, come back up. Now, if that is slightly difficult for some of us, you can just lower one hand, just alternate one hand at a time as you come forward. Keep this other hand on your lap so it can act like a brake, like an actual emergency brake from you falling is what I mean. And you just alternate hands. If you really want to try to round it here, this does stretch the back going towards the hips, especially the lower backs. You are crunching from the abs if you're doing both sides. If you're just doing one, it's going to be a little twisted on one side and one extension than the other, but that's okay. If you're hearing a click, that's just my chair trying not to pop on me. Thank you, chair. So remember, I'm just showing you the options. You can do one hand at a time, or you can do both hands at a time. That's one. And then come back to center. And just rest here. Just breathe. Observe to see if the heaviness of the day has changed. You're going to extend this leg out. This leg stays out to the side. So it's going to feel a little bit wider. We are now in a warrior two stance. Before we were not. Now we are. Just going to open up. Lift the hands up and then exhale. Come down right to the middle. Inhale, come up. Exhale. You can lift your arms as high as you want or not. So you can bend them here. If this is all you can do, that's okay. If you want to take for yourself a bigger inhale, and that's fine, you do that too. Good, two more. Okay, on the last one, you're going to come back up, turn towards the bended knee, go into that warrior two stance. See if this knee can pull a little bit further back. Oh, feel that glute. I know we've been working a lot. If you joined me on the chair fitness class, we were working that a lot today, weren't we? If you didn't, then you're going to work it now, and that's okay. Then you're going to tell this hand, pull me back into the past. bring me down to my extended leg. So I can extend the other hand forward now, up to the sky, because I need that backup. Sometimes memories drag us down, right? And we just need that extra help from there. And then we're going to take the energy from the sky and we're going to bring it to ourselves. And just remember that the past is just the lessons to help us for the future. That's all it is. It's not meant to drag us down. It's meant to lift us up. It's meant to help us to remember where we're from, who we are. We take the lessons and we keep it moving. And then we get more energy from the sky, come back to being the warriors that we are. Drop the hands down, bring the extended leg back to where it was. Stay here for a moment. We're going to reset again with the inhale. Push the chest forward, bring the hands back, open the arms out to the side. Exhale, lower the hands right into the center. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Good. Last one. Then bring the hands down. This one now extends out to the side. You might need to adjust yourself in your chair. This knee's coming out. Okay, return back with the breathing up and down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Two more. Good. Take a deep inhale. Go into that warrior two stance. Tell this knee to push back a little bit more. Work that glute. And then lean back a little bit. Let the memories carry you up. Because sometimes when we dial into the past, we need that extra support up there, right? And I'm trying not to crush here. So you're really trying to reach, yes, reach back. And then turn the extra energy from above to you. Get that extra support. Try not to put pressure on your knee. If you can't reach there, this is fine too. So what you're trying to do is when you're extending back, it's not about crunching here. It's about lifting back, extending. So you're extending all of this here, not lifting the shoulder up. Yes, pulling away. Get that extra support. Grab, all, hold. Get back into the warriors that we are. Bring it back down. Bring that leg in. Even if you have to drag it in, that's right. Drag it in. Return back to being opened. Reset. Inhale, open up the arms. Push the chest forward. Exhale. Bring the hands back to the center. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. And bring it back down. And then bring the legs in. They probably, not finally, they probably feel as if you were riding an elephant. Just return back to where you were when we first started class. Sit back, be serene, be relaxed. Plant hands on your lap. Take a deep breath in and out. Close your eyes if you wish. Soften your gaze if you wish. Or just continue to read the words on the bottom of the screen. And just breathe. And just notice how your body feels now. Do you feel a little bit lighter compared to when we first started? You feel a little bit less heavy? If you need a little bit more, we can go do a little bit more. That's fine. Let's take another deep breath in. Take another deep breath out. So now I invite you to stand. So we're going to stand behind our chairs, please. Oh, feel those new legs. They might be new for you, maybe not. Sometimes after a heavy day, we just need to lower our heads down a little bit, but don't lower your head too much. So you're going to walk back, extend the hips back, stretch. So I'm going to open up my legs a little bit wider. I invite you to do the same. You don't have to. Just make sure you don't, see what I just did? I tilted my hip back. No, don't do that. Just try to push the hip back. Don't try to lift the hip up. That's a little bit more. Yes. Extend the back, extend the arms, extend the legs. Focus on the center of your foot, not too much on your heels. Don't lock the knees. You're going to try to bend one knee at a time out to the side. Extend one leg at a time. Take it easy. Sometimes after a hard day, we just need to stretch and bend. Allow the muscles to breathe. Take our time in each motion. If you want to add a hip circle with it, you can try. You can add a hip circle right here, and then go towards the knee and bend. Hip circle right here, and then bend the other leg so you can extend. So it's all up to you what you want to do. Your body will tell you how it wants to open up and breathe. It should feel like a, oh, it hurts so good type of feeling, not a, ugh, this is really uncomfortable feeling. Come back to center. Legs are still wide. I'm going to drop one hand down, cross it over the body. Inhale, open it up out to the side. Don't follow the arm. Let the arm cross the chest. Trying to go to the other side. Inhale, open it up. Kind of focus on the hips holding you up, not the knees, not the wrist. Exhale here. Inhale here. Last one. Exhale. Inhale, open. Bring that arm back to the chair. And then drop the other arm. Crisscross it across the chest. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Make sure you're having equal pressure on each glute. If keeping the leg straight's too much, bend the knee a little bit. Last one. Bring it back. Bend the knees a little bit more. Look forward. Bring your hands to the chair if they weren't already there. You're going to wiggle your glutes so you can bring the legs in. And then walk slowly to your chair. Oh. And see how the back feels. The back may feel a little bit longer. Ooh. A little bit sore. Oh. Just move the hips around a little bit. And I'm just like, it's not that much. Just moving the hips around. I'm going to reverse the direction. Then I'm going to bring myself back to my chair. Try not to plop, just take a seat. And feel. Breathe. And just see if you were able to change your feelings, change your attitude, change your demeanor, change your day from heavy to very light. And you know, even though that is not the sign for light, I hope you are feeling like that, like you're just floating in air. Just breathe here. Observe your body. You can close your eyes if you wish or want. You can soften your gaze, just look at the words and not at me. Just take a moment here to just observe the inside of your body. How the breath flows in and out of your lungs. How your muscles respond to the breath. And you can stay here with the music. Enjoy your time, just being in serenity. Or you can end it with me, but it's up to you. But my time with you is done. Thank you for coming to class. I wish you much health and much love. Stay healthy, stay safe, and mucho bendiciones to you all.